I recorded, I don't know, many, many years ago. It's one of my favorites though. It's called A Train Without a Track.